Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my citrus chicken and my citrus rice. So let's get started. Now I'll juice 2 limes. Put it on my juicer. The second one. Along with my limes, I also have 2 lemons that I'll also be juicing. This citrus chicken is really good. To my lime and lemon juice, I'm also going to juice 1 orange. Now I have 2 chicken breasts, and it's the Zacon chicken. I'll open it up and place them in my bowl. Cut off any fat. So in my bowl I have my 2 chicken breasts. I'll salt and pepper each side. There's the salt, pepper, now I'll take my lemon, my lime, and my orange juice and place it on top of my chicken. I'll let it marinate for a couple of hours. That looks good. I'll put some saran wrap on top. So I'll place the plastic wrap on top. Place this in my fridge and let this marinate for a couple of hours. So into the fridge it goes. In my frying pan I placed a little bit of olive oil. I have my stove on medium-high. My chicken's been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, soaking in that nice citrus. So now I'll place my chicken breast in the frying pan. Let them brown on both sides. I'll flip my chicken over. I have my oven on 350. I'll cook the chicken the rest of the way in the oven. I'll also be serving this on top of rice. While my chicken is browning in the pan and my rice is cooking, I have 2 more limes, 2 more lemons, and 1 orange. I'll take the juice of all of them. I'll place that on top of my chicken in my casserole dish, and the rest of the juice I'll place on top of my rice. So now I'll juice the lemon. This juicer really works good. Now I'll take my orange. Perfect. I'll turn my burner off. Place my chicken in my casserole dish. So I have my chicken in my casserole dish. I'll salt and pepper. Now I'll take half of this juice and pour it over my chicken. I'll save the other half to pour on my rice. I'll put some aluminum foil on top and then place this in my 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. I want to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked. I'll place the foil on top, and into the oven it goes. Now I'll check on my rice. I'll lower it down to simmer because most of the water is absorbed. I'll salt, pepper, mix it around. Now I'll add the remaining juice that I squeezed of the lemons, the limes, and the orange. I'll pour that in. Mix that around. And I cook this rice according to the directions on the package. It was about a half a cup of juice that I poured into my rice. So now I'll let these juices absorb into the rice. Now I'll check on my rice. Oh yeah. All the juice has absorbed into my rice, so now I turn my burner off. I'll give it a try. I'm still waiting on my chicken. It's in the oven. Rice is really good. You can really taste the lime, the lemon. Super good. So now I'll put my lid back on, and I'm just waiting on my chicken. A few more minutes, it'll be coming out of the oven. My chicken is ready to come out of the oven. So I took it out, placed it on top of my stove. Oh yeah. That smells good. So now I'll place the chicken on my plate. I'll place some rice on my plate. I'll take a little of the citrus juice, pour it on top of my chicken. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Now doesn't that look good? Now I'll try a bite. So now I'll salt the chicken and the rice and pepper the chicken and the rice. Try some of the rice. That is really good. Now I'll cut a piece of chicken. Soak up some of that juice. Perfect bite. That's really good. Chicken and the rice. Super yummy. Really, really good. Enjoy. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make my citrus chicken along with my citrus rice. It's really good. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.